Welcome to our Excel tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to combine texts from multiple rows into a single cell using two different methods: Excel formulas and VBA macros. Before we begin, let's set our precondition. Imagine we have a list of words or phrases in multiple rows of a single column that we want to combine into one cell. First, we'll use a combination of Excel functions to achieve this. Specifically, we'll start with the transpose function and then use concatenate to merge the text. For the formula method, first select the cell where you want the combined text to appear. Let's choose cell B1 as our output cell. Enter the formula equals transpose A1, A7 into cell B1. This will allow us to view the vertical text as horizontal within the formula bar. Press F9 to verify that the formula correctly displays the text from the rows in the formula bar. You should see the text array displayed as a collection of values. Now, in the formula bar, update the formula to equals concatenate I love fruit. Apple, pear, orange, mango, grape, banana. This will remove the curly brackets and replace transpose with concatenate. Press enter to see the result. You'll notice that the words from different rows are now combined into one cell. However, they're not separated by spaces. To add spaces between each word, update the formula to include a space between each text entry. Equals concatenate I love fruit. Apple, pear, orange, mango, grape, banana. After pressing enter, you should see the words neatly combined into one cell with spaces between them. This completes our task of combining multiple rows of text into a single cell using the formula method. Now, let's move on to the second method, which uses a VBA macro. This method is particularly useful if you're working with large datasets or if you need more control over the process. To get started, press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications editor. This is where we'll write our macro to automate the text combination. In the VBA editor, go to Insert, then select Module. This will create a new module in your workbook where you can write your VBA code. Now, let's write a VBA macro that will loop through the selected range, concatenate the text from each cell, and then paste the combined text into a specified output cell. Press F5 to run the macro, or close the VBA editor and use the Macro button in the View tab of Excel to run the Combine Text from Rows with Prompt macro. When prompted, select the source range of cells and the destination cell where you want the combined text to appear. After running the macro, you'll see that all the text from the selected range has been combined into the specified output cell. This method provides a quick and efficient way to consolidate text from multiple rows. Remember to save your workbook as a macro-enabled file with the XLSM extension if you want to retain the macro for future use. This will allow you to easily combine text from multiple rows whenever needed. That concludes our tutorial on combining texts in Excel using both formulas and a VBA macro. These methods are invaluable for managing and consolidating data in your workbooks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try these techniques to enhance your Excel skills. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.